This video, I'm going to talk about some additional information that's been coming up for Hazard Insurance on EIDL loan increases for small business owners. So if you've just requested a EIDL loan increase and you're getting emails for Hazard Insurance, want to go over some things that have been coming up, especially with some business owners that I've helped already. Now, every situation's different. There's no one, set process. There's no one set results for every business owner. Everyone's getting different results right now. It seems like there's huge delays. And so all this video is just to give you some additional information that I've experienced with some business owners that I've helped. So hopefully it helps you along the way. The first thing I want to talk about is to make sure that your hazard insurance is covering all perils. Now, I talked to an SBA loan officer early this week that wanted to verify from a client that I helped based out of California, wanted to verify that there was wind and hail, that those perils were covered on his business personal property. I was almost 100% certain that wind and hail was a covered peril. So as soon as I got off the phone with the SBA agent, I made the call. The carrier did confirm that there was wind and hail coverage on that policy based out of California. I also had the SBA agent call to confirm that. Then we spoke together briefly and he told me that it looks like everything is good to go. So what I'm trying to tell you is as you're shopping for your hazard insurance, find out what type of hazards are actually insured on your commercial property policy. Now, the second thing that I want to quickly reiterate and to clear up some confusion on is I'm still getting questions for, what is hazard insurance? So that's going to depend on who's asking you for it. If it's a loan officer, they're likely going to use the term hazard insurance. In the insurance world, we use the term business personal property, business contents, business equipment coverage, inland marine. But essentially, all those terms are providing basically the same type of coverage. It's covering your business contents, inventory, equipment, things of that nature, for specific hazards like fire, lightning, wind, hail. It's basically the same thing as BPP or business personal property. Hazard insurance, business personal property are basically the same thing. It's just depending on who's asking you for it, but we do get that question a lot, so just wanted to clear that up here. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is the collateral portion of your EIDL loan. I have been getting questions of business owners asking me if they need to match the amount of the loan, so the amount that they're receiving on their loan from the SBA, does the coverage amount, so the limit of coverage for their business contents, does it have to match? No, you are basically just insuring your business contents, inventory, equipment, and you need to cover up to 80% of that insurable value. So come up with some sort of value of your business contents and then make sure you're getting at least up to 80%, and that should keep you compliant for your loan. Another problem that we've seen come back a couple of times from the SBA is if you have a monthly policy or a monthly contract with your insurance carrier and your insurance policy reflects that, the SBA or your SBA loan officer may deny your insurance. So the best way to rectify that is to unfortunately pay for your insurance 12 months or for an annual term in advance so that you could provide that certificate of insurance that shows an annual policy, and that you can let your SBA agent know that you've paid for your policy in advance and that coverage is secure for the next 12 months. And the last thing is, I've been getting a lot of questions about gig workers. Are they able to get hazard insurance or BPP? Now, if you are an independent contractor, gig worker, driving for Uber, Lyft, doing food delivery for Instacart or DoorDash, Uber Eats, you may be able to add business contents onto your home insurance or renter's insurance, and that may be able to suffice for your EIDL loan. If your home or renter's insurance, because of the nature of your business, doesn't want to add business contents onto your policy, you are likely going to have to get a commercial business personal property. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.